What's poppin'? It's your boy Cassius Cuvée here with another breakout prop quick tutorial. This is how you move your stop loss if you're already in profit and you want to make sure you lock in profit. So right now we're in profit, $279, and all I'm going to do is here's my stop loss, here's my entry. You can see this little arrow right here. That little arrow is where I entered, and basically I want to pull this down to be in profit. So price is down here, my take profit is down here. I want my stop loss in a place that no matter what, I could leave the computer, it'll be in profit. I'm gonna put it over the last wick. All you do is move it down there and hit modify. And that's where it is now at 915. But the other way to do it, let's say I actually want to adjust it again. You just double click anywhere here on the position line, double click, and you can just type it in here. Instead of 915, I want 909. You can see 909 on price and hit modify. Moved it to 909. You might be asking yourself, well, how much profit would that be? The trick for that is you double click to open it because it doesn't tell you. I just type it in the take profit, 909, oops, 909, and it'll show me that it would make me $81. You don't hit modify; they won't even allow you because it's not. It's you're already, that wouldn't be in profit. But that's how much it would be if it came back, $81. So now I know that at 909 I would make $81 if this shot back up and triggered this. That's about it. Just want to show you that real quick, how to move your stop loss. And make sure you tune in for more videos. Subscribe to my channel. I also have my link, so that way you can, if you want to use Breakout Prop, you can use my referral link in the description and sign up that way. I appreciate it.